Good day. I'm Edward Benrick D. Salonga. I'm 21 years old and I am from the province of Tarlac. Today I will be discussing my position regarding SK abolition and SK reform. So this is my position. I am for the empowerment of the youth. I want the youth to be empowered. If we want to see the youth as the hope of this nation, we should empower them. All sectors in the society must be represented. Therefore, we should allow the youth to participate in the decision-making process and in the policy-making process of the government. And Sangguniang Kabataan is the best avenue for the youth to be empowered. There are flaws. Yes, I believe in that. There are flaws in Sangguniang Kabataan. That's why we need to strengthen it by way of reforming it. Others say that, and most of the people say, that SK is the breeding ground for corruption. I don't believe in that. As long as these young people will not be manipulated by higher government officials and older men, there will be no problem. As long as these young people will stand on their own beliefs and ideals, there will be no problem. Others say that the minimum age requirement of an SK official, for you to become an SK official, is very young. Yes, I believe in that because it's 15 years old. That's why we should reform it. We should change only 15 years old to 21 years old because if you are 15 years old, I believe that in that age there is no yet sense of responsibility. But if you change 15 to 21, by the age of 21, I believe in that age there is already a sense of responsibility. Again, I am for the empowerment of the youth. Therefore, I am for SK reform. Thank you and God bless.